You don't need a new car in 2026. You need smarter car accessories. These 15 Amazon finds solve real problems, save money, and instantly make your car feel more advanced. You're watching Tools Inspector, where we uncover gadgets that actually work, not gimmicks. So buckle up, let's dive in. Number 1. Never get stranded again. The Schumacher Electric 15A Smart Battery Charger is more than just a charger. It's a complete battery management system designed for long-term reliability. It works as a maintainer, tester, and desulfator in one compact unit, keeping batteries healthy without overcharging. Ideal for cars, motorcycles, boats, and marine batteries, it automatically adjusts power for safe charging. This charger extends battery life and reduces replacement costs over time. Number 2. Bugs don't stand a chance. The VIKING Mesh Bug Sponge removes dried bugs and stubborn tar without damaging your paint or glass. Its special mesh design lifts grime safely instead of grinding it into the surface. It works perfectly on windshields, headlights, mirrors, and bumpers. Even tough summer buildup comes off with minimal effort. Car washing becomes faster, easier, and far less frustrating. Number 3. Make thieves think twice instantly. The Tevlaphee steering wheel lock is a powerful visual deterrent that immediately draws attention and discourages theft. Its heavy-duty construction makes steering completely impossible when locked. Fully adjustable, it fits most cars, trucks, and SUVs with ease. Bright visibility sends a clear warning to would-be thieves. One glance is usually enough to make criminals move on. It adds serious security without relying on electronics or batteries. Number 4. Record everything that matters. The Vantrue E1 Lite Mini Dash Cam captures sharp 1080p video footage both day and night. Built-in GPS records your speed and location for added evidence and accuracy. With 24-hour parking mode, it keeps watching even when your car is parked. Its compact size keeps it discreet and unobtrusive. Reliable footage gives you peace of mind on every drive. Perfect for accidents, insurance claims, and unexpected incidents. Number 5. Feel like you're driving a futuristic car. The universal GPS Speedometer HUD projects your speed directly into your line of sight for safer driving. The bright LED display automatically adjusts to day and night conditions. No apps or complicated setup are required. Just plug it in and go. It works in virtually any vehicle. You stay focused on the road instead of glancing down at the dashboard. It's a simple upgrade that makes driving feel more advanced instantly. Number 6. Save hundreds on AC repairs. The VIVOHOME AC vacuum pump and gauge set gives you professional-level HVAC performance at home. It's ideal for AC recharging, evacuation, and system maintenance. Strong vacuum power ensures proper refrigerant flow and system efficiency. Clear gauges make monitoring simple and accurate. Skip expensive shop visits and take control of your car's cooling system. A must-have tool for serious DIY car owners. Number 7. Eliminate blind spots instantly. Blind spot convex mirrors dramatically improve side visibility while driving. They expand your field of view and reduce dangerous blind spots during lane changes. Installation takes seconds with simple peel and stick mounting. They work on side mirrors of almost any vehicle. This small upgrade delivers massive safety benefits every time you drive. Number 8. Upgrade your battery connections properly. The SUNMORN battery terminal connectors provide strong, stable electrical connections you can rely on. They support multiple wire gauges for flexible custom setups. Perfect for cars, trucks, RVs, and marine systems. Solid connections reduce voltage drops and electrical failures. Reliable power flow means fewer starting and charging issues. Great for audio upgrades, accessories, and long-term reliability. Number 9. Jumpstart anything, anywhere. The AVAPOW 4000A Jumpstarter is a powerful emergency tool every driver should carry. It's strong enough to start large gas and diesel engines in seconds. Despite its power, it's compact enough to fit easily in your glove box. Built-in safety protection prevents mistakes during use. It also doubles as a portable power bank for phones and devices. Peace of mind you can carry with you at all times. Number 10. Every garage needs a grip monster. The WORKPRO locking pliers set delivers serious clamping strength for demanding tasks. Perfect for repairs, seize bolts, emergency fixes, and DIY projects. Multiple jaw styles allow you to handle a wide range of jobs. Built from durable materials for long-term use. Once you have them, you'll find yourself reaching for them constantly. Number 11. Make your interior look brand new. The detailing drill brush set turns any standard drill into a powerful cleaning tool. It deep cleans carpets, seats, dashboards, and interior trim effortlessly. Soft yet durable bristles scrub without damaging surfaces. Number 12. Protect your garage walls for good. The AMPULLA garage wall protector absorbs door impacts and prevents damage effortlessly. Its thick, waterproof material stands up to daily use. It protects against scratches, dents, and chipped paint. Installation is quick and hassle-free. A one-time upgrade that saves long-term repair costs. Ideal for tight garages and frequent parking. Number 13. Break bolts like nothing. The Robustrue cordless impact wrench delivers insane torque without the hassle of cords. It's perfect for tire changes, suspension work, and heavy-duty repairs. The brushless motor provides more power and longer tool life. High-speed performance handles stubborn fasteners with ease. This impact wrench is an absolute beast. Built for serious work when hand tools aren't enough. Number 14. Beat winter in one move. The Sunny Color windshield cover blocks ice, snow, and frost completely. It covers the entire windshield for full protection overnight. In the morning, just remove it and drive away. No scraping or warming up required. No frozen hands and no wasted time in the cold. A winter essential for anyone who parks outdoors. Number 15. Serious maintenance made effortless. The DEWALT 20V cordless grease gun handles high-pressure greasing quickly and cleanly. It delivers consistent grease flow without mess or hand fatigue. Ideal for vehicles, machinery, and heavy equipment maintenance. Cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere. If you maintain anything regularly, this tool pays for itself fast. Built for professionals, but perfect for home garages too. These aren't just cool gadgets. They're real upgrades that make driving safer, easier, and smarter. Subscribe to Tools Inspector for more next-level car tech you'll actually use.